Hi, so this is how I would fill in this net data sheet. So the first thing I would do is decide on what my net goals are. So let's say, for example, if it would be greetings, that would be one. Maybe another one could be asks for help. And then I would create natural environment teaching situations where I could take data on those trials. So it might be in a natural environment where we're going out and seeing some friends. And what I would do then is for every correct response, I would start at the bottom and circle it. And if, let's say, I set up the situation for a greeting and there was an incorrect response, I would start at the top and make an X. And then I would continue to do that and X from the top and circle correct responses from the bottom. And then what you end up with after a little while is, if you could see here, it kind of, you can draw a line from correct responses and it turns into a graph. And that way it's automatically a graph. So this is what we would use for net teaching. So that's automatically graphed and you don't have to deal with a lot of binders and you could just do more concentrating on the student and the teaching.